Do you think your iPhone might be hacked? Sudden pop-ups? Battery draining fast? Or unknown apps? In this video, I'll show you real signs to check if your iPhone is hacked and what to do next. What does hacked really mean? iPhones are very secure, but they can still be compromised through phishing, fake profiles, or unsafe Wi-Fi. Most hacks happen because of user mistakes. Signs: your iPhone may be hacked. One, battery draining fast. Battery suddenly draining even without heavy use. 2, phone overheating. iPhone gets hot when idle. 3, unknown apps or profiles, apps you didn't install. 4, data usage increase. Mobile data used without reason. 5, strange pop-ups or redirects. Safari opening weird websites. Check these settings. Immediately check installed apps. Settings arrow, general arrow iPhone, storage, remove suspicious apps, check profiles and VPN settings. Arrow, general arrow, VPN and device management, remove unknown profiles, check app permissions, settings, arrow privacy and security review camera, mic, location access, check Apple ID security. Go to settings, arrow Apple ID, arrow password and security. Change your password and turn on two-factor authentication. What to do if you think it's hacked? Update iOS. Reset all settings. Remove unknown apps. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Backup and factory reset if needed. If you follow these steps, your iPhone will be secure again. Comment below if this helped you.